We also carry a huge selection of wall-to-wall carpet. We carry Shaw, Maslin, Tiftickjian, Stark. We're Western New York's only Stark franchise.
There's only limited number of dealers in the whole country that have this line.
We're Kirastan's #1 dealer in Western New York. Have their famous Oriental rug designs. We also carry Kane, Fabrica, Prestige, Mill.
These are made by Milliken.
These are wool, all different styles and colors here.
This happens to be Nori-san.
Each store we have a huge selection of these that are available. Wool, they're usually machine made.
Here's a 100-year-old antique.
We carry all major brands of wall-to-wall carpeting or area rugs. Come and see us.